Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depending on wherever you're coming from. My good names are Marklin. Today, guys, it's a holiday. We are mourning. We are mourning. One of our leader passed away. So, anyway, may God rest his soul in peace, eternal peace. So today, guys, it's a Friday actually. Leo ni date. It's a Friday at 4:50, and today I want to make chapati. Join me as I cook my chapatis. You are welcome to keep me company as I make the chapatis. It's very cold here. That's why I'm putting on the kofia, guys. Do you like my kofia? Let's start. Salt. This is my flour. Salt to taste. Sugar. And you haven't said hi to my daughter. Mom, move here. Say hi to my guys.
Hi.
How are you?
My name is Lana.
What's your good name?
My name is Lana.
Okay. Now my daughter will help me put sugar. Yeah. She's putting sugar. Assist me with water. Sugar. I have to add salt. A little bit of salt. Taste.
Add salt.
Water. All of it. Water. Pour. Water, more water. Glasi haionekani. Ni sawa, imetosha. More water, baby girl. All of it. Thank you. Fungua mafuta niweke. I'll put cooking oil. Make sure imeonekana. Cooking oil, pour just a little bit. It's okay. Don't put another one. It's okay. Now I'll leave my dough to cool for 5 minutes. Then I'll come. We cook. Let go in film. I'll leave it to cool. and I'll be eating with yummy, 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 yummy. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. So guys, here I am. I want to cook. Karibu, karibu, karibu.
Karibu.
Tena na tena.
Chapati.
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 Yes, chapati.
Chapati. Chapati. We love chapati.
Mpaka zitoke. Fifitini. Sijui kazi zitatoka 15. I don't know how to make 15. Haiwezi pita. Haiwezi pita.
Nikipita utaduru nini?
Lavina, wacha kupanda hapo tafadhali. Tako sana. Nipe sahani ya mabati. I'm dark. Can you see me? Okay. Can you see me? I'm making my chapati.
And me, I'm making mine too.
Can you see me, guys? You are making chapati. Me and my daughter, we are making good chapatis.
Yeah. Good chapatis.
Very yummy chapatis.
Yeah.
Songesha kutengeneza. Ndio wakuone venye unatengeneza, si ndio?
Yes.
The best chef in town.
Yeah. Come here.
Who is the best chef in town?
I am. Comment down below. Best chef
In town. The best chef in town.
or you call the Venus chef.
Tell people to subscribe to your mom's channel,
Subscribe,
to like, to share, to
your friends.
comment,
Share to your friends, family,
share with your friends, family, and all the viewers and all the returning subscribers. Thank you.
Okay, this is my chapati. To go.
Let me sit a little bit. Oh, yeah. Mama, people can see me.
Can't see.
Yes.
Very good to see you. This is the chapati. Chapati yangu. Here's my chapati. Have you done that?
No. Eko kapot. Ah! Woo! My chapati is ready. Now I want to serve with a stew, guys. Bean stew. My food is ready. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Thank you for my returning subscriber. For the new subscriber, you are welcome. Feel free. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time on the next vlog, guys. Bye. Love you.